Hello there and welcome to Key Stage 3 English. These are like test type questions. So let's have a read of this particular passage together. Dawn of the 18th broke fine and clear, and gone were the angry clouds and high winds of previous nights. With this change in weather, our spirits rose and we emerged from the cabin to greet the new day like people awakening from a daze. We smiled at each other and laughed and chatted, as we would on a Saturday sail in the Gulf of Paria. At 9 o'clock, we decided that our stomachs were now in a fit condition to receive and retain proper food. So we ate a breakfast of hot coffee with scrambled eggs, tin sausages, and biscuits. On the 20th, I woke to find Hummingbird staring and Buck preparing breakfast. He was only one amongst us who could fry an egg in our aluminium saucepan without having it stick to the bottom. For this reason, he was elected chief egg fryer. He had also brought the riding lantern down, cleaned the shade, and choked it safely away under the gallery seat. On the 25th, the weather was simply splendid, almost like that at home, although a little cooler. Because we were getting away gradually from the topics, our day's runs were also lengthening, for when I made my calculations at noon, I found that we'd done 55 miles. This is from An Ocean to Ourselves by Harold Laborde, famous book. And now you've got to answer the following questions based on this particular text. Now you will have various other questions based on grammar, spellings, and so on as well. But how was the 18th different from the other days? What was the reason the 18th was different from the other days? The answers in this particular text. Good luck with these questions. All right, try your best. And we'll follow these up in our next class, whereby we'll go through all the answers and the explanations together. Good luck.